What is 1 million in Igbo? How do you say 1 million in Igbo language? My name is Teacher Mary. I'm here to help you in your journey to learning Igbo language. Hope you're ready. Yes, so go back to numbers. I want to go back to number 1. What is 1 in Igbo? Otu. 1, Otu. 2, Igbo. 3, Ato. 4, Ano. 5, Ise. 6, Isi. 7, Asa. 8, Asato. 9, Itoolu. 10, Iri. 11, we're going to go back. We'll be adding 1 to 10. 11, Iri na Otu. Na me is and. Iri na Otu. 12, Iri na Abo. 13, Iri na Ato. 14, Iri na Ano. 15, Iri na Ise. 16, Iri na Ise. 17, Iri na Asa. 15, Iri na Ise. 16, Iri na Ise. 17, Iri na Asa. 18, Iri na Asato. 19, Iri na Itoolu. 20, Iri Ibuo or Ohu. Ohu. Iri Ibuo. 10 in 2 places. Okay, so when you 21, you still bring back 1. Iri Ibuo na Otu. Iri Ibuo na Ibuo. Iri Ito. Iri Ibuo na Ito. Alright, so it goes on that way. I want to quickly move because of the time. Move to the 100. What is 100 in Igbo? Otu nari. 100 is nari. 100 nari. So 100. Otu nari. 200 nari Igbo. 300 nari Ito. 400 nari Ino. Remember, Ino is 4. 500 nari Ise. Okay, so quickly I want to move to 1,000. 1,000 is, what is 1,000? 1,000 is Puku. Puku is 1,000. So 1,000 is Otu Puku. Otu Puku. So it goes on like that. Otu Puku. Puku Ibuo. Puku Ato. Puku Ano. Puku Iri. 10,000. Puku Iri. 10,000. Remember, Puku Abo 2,000, Puku Ato 3,000, Puku Ano 4,000, Puku Iri 10,000. Alright, so from Puku I will move. Puku is 1,000, don't forget. I will move to million. Million is Nde. Otu Nde 1 million. Nde Ibo 2 million. Okay, so quick recap. Don't forget 10 is Iri, 20 Iri Ibo, 30 Iri Ito, Iri Ino, Iri Ise, and 100 is Nari, 1,000 is Puku, 1 million is Nde, 10 Iri, 100 Nari, 1,000 Puku, million Nde. Thank you. See you in my next class. Bye.